Hi guys, welcome to Science Lesson 2 for the circulatory system. So, really quick introduction. I'm in a mysterious place. I'm outside of school in my house. So try to guess where I'm at, and if you know where I'm at, go ahead and email me and I'll email you something special back. I don't know. No tickets, sorry. Okay, the first thing you should do on lesson 2 is answer the review questions. So in your packet like this, you have review questions. It looks like there are 6 review questions. So that's going to be part of your assignment. You'll probably get a quiz of some kind, so do that, please. So we're going to start with word attack. I'm going to stand up. Okay, the first word is cell. What word? Yes, cell. Good job. The next word is tissue. What word? Yes, tissue. Next word is organ. What word? Yes, organ. The next word is system. What word? Yes, system. Touch, column 2, touch. The first word is blood vessels. What word? Yes, blood vessels. The next word is heart. What word? Yes, heart. The next word is lungs. What word? Yes, lungs. Touch, column 3, touch. The first word is involuntary. What word? Yes, involuntary. The next word is septum. What word? Yes, septum. The next word is chambers. What word? Yes, chambers. The next word is ventricle. What word? Yes, ventricles. Ventricle, sorry. The next word is atrium. What word? Yes, atrium. Good job. Woo-wee! Way to be. Oh, I have an audience. Okay, so let's go over vocab really quick. The first word is involuntary. Involuntary means that something does something without requiring you to think, okay? So, does not require thinking. Involuntary, what does it mean? Get ready? Good job. It does not require you to think. So right now, my heart is beating on its own. My brain is thinking on its own. My lungs are breathing on its own. Okay, when I go to sleep, my heart doesn't stop beating, hopefully, and my lungs keep breathing. So that is involuntary. They're not doing it on their own. This is voluntary. I'm doing this with my hand because I'm telling my hand to do this. But when I breathe, when I blink, those are involuntary things. I'm not sitting there thinking, beat, beat, heart, beat, beat. I would have nothing to do else all day long. So that's involuntary. You do it without thinking. You do it without what? Yes, thinking. Okay, the next word is septum. What word? Yes, septum. Septum, it's the strong, thick muscle that divides your heart into 2 halves. So you have your heart, it's split in half. It has a really strong septum. So it's this really thick muscle that divides it into 2 pieces. You also have a septum in your nose right here. This is a septum, and it goes all the way up through your nose, and it splits it into 2 sides. Okay, that is a septum. The next word is chambers. What word? Yes, chambers. Those are hollow areas. So if you have a heart, you've got 4 chambers. How many chambers? Yes, 4. Okay, the next word is ventricle. What word? Yes, ventricle. It's the bottom chambers in each half of the heart. So you have 4 chambers. So in the bottom, you've got your 2 ventricles, and the top, you've got your atriums. Okay, I think of the top as they start with an A, atriums. That's the beginning of the alphabet, so they're at the top. So atriums are at the top. Ventricles at the end of the alphabet, so ventricles are at the bottom. Okay, so you've got atriums and ventricles. What do you have? Get ready? Yes, very good. Okay, so that's basically what our lesson is talking about. We're talking about how your heart is an involuntary muscle. It is going to beat all day, every day, okay? And it does it without you thinking. So that is involuntary. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to take your hand in a fist. My friend over here can try. Okay, in a fist. And I'm going to count for 1 minute. And I want you to open and squeeze as hard as you can for 1 minute. Okay? So, ready? And go. See if you can still guess where I am. Keep going. You've got about 30 more seconds. Ten more seconds. Let me make sure that was true. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're done. How do you do? Good? Does your forearm, feel your forearm right now. Is it a little bit tight? That's how I feel when I climb, because I'm flexing those muscles. Okay, well, think about it. Your heart does that all day, every day. It does it about 70 times per minute. So 70 times per minute. And if you're working out or skateboarding like the people in the background, your heart is going faster, so you're actually doing this really fast. Try to do it really fast for 20 seconds. Go. Do it as fast as you can. Okay, my hand's already sore. So think how strong your heart has to be able to do that. So here's some facts for you. 70 times each minute, 60 minutes per hour, 24 hours per day, 365 days per year for approximately 70 years. Now, my mom's 75, so I really hope we live longer than that. So your heart's probably going to beat more than that. But that's more than 2 billion times your heart will beat in a lifetime. 2 billion times. Okay, so this is why the heart is the strongest muscle in the body. What is it? Get ready? Yeah, it's the strongest muscle in your body, okay? It's stronger than anything. It's about the size of your clenched fist. So take your clenched fist and put it at your heart. Now, your heart is not in the middle. Everybody thinks it's right in the middle. It's actually a little bit to the left, okay? And I'll explain that later, okay? A little bit to the left. And your heart's protected by your rib cage. By your what? You ready? Yeah, your rib cage, okay? It's all these bones but right here that go feel in your chest. You can feel those bones right there, okay? So that protects your heart and your lungs. And those bones hurt to break because I have done it a few times. Okay, so you've got the septum, you've got your chambers, and the bottom is the ventricles. And the ventricles almost look like a V. They look like 2 V's like this. So you can also think of that as the ventricle. Okay, they're at the bottom, and the atriums are at the top. You have 4 chambers. How many? Yes, 4 chambers. Good job. Okay. And that is basically our lesson 2. Now you're going to have questions to answer, so look through your Google Classroom for the quiz that will follow up on this and do your homework, and I will see you on lesson 3. Okay. Oh, I have an audience. Yay. Okay, guess where I am? Email me, akane@apamail.org. If you can guess where I am at. Don't ask your parents because they'll probably know. Okay, see you later.